Hello, lifelong learners from the Messianic Studies Institute. It's time to register for the Capstone event of our academic year, and that is the Visiting Scholar Symposium. This year it's face-to-face. We are featuring Dr. Mark Kinzer, a senior Messianic Jewish scholar who has written this very important book called Jerusalem Crucified, Jerusalem Risen. You don't want to miss this symposium. Register at mjsi.org. This is a prophetic reading of the Gospel of Luke and the book of Acts. You're going to want to see the connection between Yeshua, that is Jesus' death and resurrection, and the death, destruction of Jerusalem, and her promised future resurrection in Ezekiel 37. Register today. mjsi.org. Don't miss it.